Ka RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu kawai na ki school ka balaseng kerpang na kabenta ki kena ki baduk bat ki bamyo lat ban school na ki babon ki daw ha ka saw tarik naiwing kelas dang ya ka taiew lehkmen ni school week. Ya ka ni ka taiew lehkmen lawan ban play da ukongsan ma Mihmyntdu Lingdo Assistant Director Katanat Horticulture West Giant Hills District. Ha ka jingdon lang usimbut kongsan ma chewan ki Phuh demonstrator Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Juwai. Father Hilarious Lamare Parish Priest Juwai Parish, Father Manbha Pakem, Director JHDS, Ma Frederick Senna, Chairman School Managing Committee, ka Sister Sheila Thomas, Principal Don Bosco Secondary School, kinohikai batki kena kanika school. Kakong Jessica Biam ha kajingkran lam khamat kalaong. Kajing don jong kanika school kaplilat eki babon ki kena ban pendap eki jing pule bapher bat kani kade kajing angnut jong ka letina lakyang principal barim jong kanika school ban plilat eki kena ha ki sap bapher wat lada kim yok lat ban pule tikna kumbayok ki weipat ki kena school bat kajing pelong ya ka school week kade ka sien ka baningkong nadu pelaseng ya kanika shlam ai jing hikai. Uma Mihmyntdu Lingdo ha ka jingkren ulayaro kinong penya jong kanika school ki balayu I jinga ya ka jingdon kam jong ki kena ki bawan na kalong yeng baduk bakerdu. Ka jingdon jong kanika school kalalong ka kabuk siar ki kena baduk ban beteng ki jing pulie jong ki wat hapedeng ki jing ki babon. Ula kenturu ki kena ban teri shitam bat minat bha ha ki jing pulie kenang bakin yo ya kalawai bapernai. Ha ka singis dang jong ka school week ki kena school ki laya shimbenta ha ki lai teli ki jinga kop ki bakan top ya ka jinga kop ruai jinga kop shat bat ka jinga kop pen iriam.
This school caters to all those, caters to all those who don't get chance anyway, get admission or due to many kind of reasons. So they get admitted in this school. So that touched me actually. It really touched my heart. So I really commend the SMC, the school, for doing such a wonderful thing. I always feel like, government, we in government actually like we get paid for what we do, what for all the services we give to people, we get paid for that, right? But and I have a cousin sister also who's a sister. She has been a missionary to South Sudan. So I get inspired by her, because she is such a difficult situation. She went there as a missionary, but she get paid nothing. Me, I get paid, and sometimes I didn't fulfill my duties. So that's why I used to do extra service, extra work in my office because of the inspiration I derive from my sisters, fathers who has done the service.
Smart to petrol, clear uniform, lime lagi. But now comment on what the top matriki class step the pass bahaki. Naga jingle stom yung ka school makinong hikay kam jule the jingle stom yung pi kena school. The pelang acimun na kelam ta wakabenore the melinya ka hadrai penkut dewa ong ka ini kenten sabah pi kena ban ko em salon. Kenawa yu tercia yu thaba ka menret ka ben ka wi ka yang pi pai kenuksa kini ga argot gas awanar chief gas kila jan mem wan kini ga yung go pahu pahai pakidulan citam saja gi kami andrai yo gi chongklan mungor hagi office hagi suki office naga jingle stom naga jingdo yap ka yoki naga jingdo yap ka yoki.
Kampu baralong bangadon ban ong yakin thei wat chetram lanong sorni nong kendong to pensiong ya la de bat ya kakti bi purong ni dei bat ngau sarong wangi kran laten la jong bondi balong stan narung adai uai inai chuan ki jingnya ni haki suki krai ka bafal la pakalong jika namang du citeng lakun hasi citeng lakun pareng kan nuka jing singa wijli kar cabang ayang aying haka jing berkanjung ngamut gide kikor citeng yora umender baya syong pan ikon dan ne ikon dekar bala yora